So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in the emoji block inside of Notion. So to go ahead and add in an emoji block, you can go ahead and type in slash right here and type in emoji right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that and choose emoji right here, then you can simply go ahead and add in different emojis as you like. You can go ahead and choose this emoji, and this is simply what you have, and it is in the text format, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can also go ahead and select this right here, let's say for example, and then go ahead and change around the size of it as well. So let's just go ahead right here. So let's just go ahead right here and change from text to, let's say, heading 1, and the size of the emoji actually increases. So if I were to go around over here and type in slash right here and type in emoji, just like this, let's go around and type that in, then you can see that there's different sort of emojis that you can select from. You can also go around over here right here, scroll up, or select out anything that you like. Even go ahead and click on add emoji, and over here what you can do is upload out an image as emoji. So let's say for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and select out my TuTube logo right here, and then you can go ahead and save it out right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this has been added to your workspace, and the logo right here has been uploaded out as an emoji, as you can see right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and turn it into a heading, you can see that it is simply a part of the text, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and insert out an emoji block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.